First stop that I'm stopping for food. Well, we had steak last night. I'm in a pavilion to eat some dim sum and some other stuff. Can't come foreign and not try, well, real foreign food. Asian food or foreign food? China pavilion. Order now, so order you just have to place what you want, decide what you have. First stop is dim sum. You know me, you know me love dim, and it's not just some, a whole heap.
I'm seeing with the dim sum, you know. Come fast and furious.
But it also leave quick.
Yeah.
Baby, you're gonna be the dim sum, them, you know that?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Man, them raw.
Traditionally enjoyed for brunch, dim sum is a large range of small dishes, with most modern day dim sum dishes commonly associated with Cantonese cuisine.
Can I have one more plate, please?
Okay.
This is not dim sum. Pan-fried noodles until they're crisp, beef cooked down in oyster sauce with a whole heap of flavor.
Oh, I got birdness and noodle.
Yeah, I love this.
It's fried crispy.
Yeah. Pan fried. This is good.
One of the most popular dim sum dishes is the shrimp dumpling. Steamed in a wheat flour casing, it's extremely satisfying.
Nice amount of pepper. I didn't ask her for the scallion and ginger.
The dumplings are chewy, and the natural sweetness of the shrimp harmonizes perfectly with the seasonings.
Pepper the hot. Oh, that pepper the hot.
They can be had plain, but they also have sauces. Soy sauce, scallion and ginger sauce, or even the pepper sauce are all favorites. I personally find that the pepper sauce goes amazing with the dumpling. However, this pepper is not the Scotch bonnet that I'm used to. This is probably my all-time favorite dim sum meal, fried shrimp ball. And of course, you have to have some tea. The shrimp is blended down to a paste and then wrapped in spring roll wrappers, which provide an exceptional crunch. You once again get the natural sweetness of the shrimp, but also that hint of sesame oil. These also pair well with any one of the sauces, but my personal favorite for this has to be the scallion ginger sauce.
Thank you. Shumai. Yes, thank you. You can put that right here. Okay. Here we go. Put on top.
Shumai or pork shumai is ground pork, Chinese black mushroom, rice wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, shrimp that can be whole or chopped up. This is the dish that got me hooked on dim sum. The flavors are simply amazing, but you have to look out for the steam. A dip in the scallion ginger and then into the pepper pairs well with the sweetness of the shrimp, the pork, and all the flavors of the mushroom.
Ho, ho, ho. Hot, ho. I'm pretty good though. Steamed pork with chicken broth is like a dumpling. A full dumpling, the chicken in there and the soup in there. So outside of the soup dumpling. More things about.
This is a steamed pork rib with what I describe as a black bean sauce. And similar to the rib is steamed beef.
Pepper.
The rib is sweet, tender, and packs real good flavor. Beef is savory and fall off the bone tender.
Man, I love them something.
Literally just mash it up. Mash it up. Time for go sleep. Still a mash it up. Done. So that was 2 orders sumai, 2 order fried shrimp ball, 2 order pork, 1 order beef, 1 order of that name again, egg roll, spring roll, 1 order
pan fried noodle.
And I don't even touch that yet.
That's how I have to go about this.
I had to get some duck, crispy and roast pork.
They are about to them some breakfast. Check out foreign breakfast now. Mimosas. You too, don't buy strawberry mimosas. You know much for a strawberry I had? Thank you. Foreign breakfast taste, man. That's how just a bread.
Have to start somewhere.
That boy said him no want no. How you say you never want? You know, no mushroom. We are no mushroom people from Jamaica. We want spinach. Or callaloo.
That's right. Pretty good. And
my thing different. I gone with Mardi Gras, which is Louisiana style crayfish, crawfish, shrimps, and thing. Pretty good. Not lie. Trying to be go outside and I have one spice. That pepper. Yeah man, it's have a little kick. Yeah man, that's the Louisiana in there giving you a little of that kick. Green onion, which we crawfish, which we call scallion. It's a nice cut. Crawfish and Gulf shrimp.
The omelette was filled with Louisiana crawfish, Gulf shrimp, andouille sausage, topped with a tomato hollandaise, red peppers, and scallion. I think I found my new favorite omelette. It really was that good. They didn't short you on the toppings either. There was ample crayfish, ample shrimp, and that sausage added that perfect Louisiana flavor with a hint of spice.
Which one of them sauces you use, man?
Tabasco.
It's a dibby pepper sauce. So which one is this?
That's the hot sauce. But that one's supposed to be a little bit more spicy.
I could go with a little more spicy. Cholula. Yeah, hot like scotch bonnet sauce. Dibby pepper sauce.
What's that? No,
It don't even have flavor. This one. Dibby pepper sauce. And catch up that water down. When in foreign, do as the foreigners do. I want my heart because I bacon.
Of course, it wouldn't be a trip to America without a milkshake and a burger. So we hit up Five Guys for this. But is America's national dish actually the hamburger? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, everybody. Stay safe. One love. Bless up.